Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin. Germany's first F35A takes shape as F135 engine is installed at Fort Worth production line. Lockheed Martin has released new photographs from its assembly facility in Fort Worth showing the installation of a Pratt & Whitney F135 PW100 engine in an F35A Lightning II. The aircraft is the first F35A intended for the Federal Republic of Germany. The aircraft's formal rollout could take place in the coming weeks, according to the source article. Delivery of the first German F35A is planned by the end of 2026. Germany has ordered 35 F35A Lightning II aircraft through the U.S. Foreign Military Sales procedure for its own and allied requirements. The intergovernmental letter of offer and acceptance was approved on December 14, 2022. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in 2026. The first Luftwaffe aircraft are initially expected to be based at Ebbing Air National Guard Base in Fort Smith, as is planned for aircraft ordered by Poland and Finland. At Ebbing, the German F-35As will be used for personnel training before their transfer to Germany. The first aircraft are expected to arrive at Bushel Air Base in 2027. The German F-35A fleet is being acquired mainly to support Germany's role in NATO's nuclear sharing arrangement. Under that mission, Allied aircraft are adapted to carry and employ US-supplied B-61 nuclear bombs. In that role, the F-35A will replace Germany's current Panavia Tornado IDs aircraft. The program will therefore support the transition of a key Luftwaffe mission to a new generation combat aircraft. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology.